All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download your Facebook Live video to desktop. Facebook recently made some changes, so we have to do it differently again. So what you do is find your video, and then I'm going to click on the three dots. You'll notice that download video is not there. So what you're going to have to do is come over here and click on the timestamp, and that will open the video. You can also do it from your edit videos on the inside, but this is a quick way. Once you're here, click on these three dots and click download video, but you're not done. Okay, from here, click on the three dots again, download. Now you can download it to your computer, save it by file name. That's all you have to do to download your Facebook Live video to your desktop computer. I'm Lori Ballen. Thanks for joining me today.